Hey everyone, it's Sean and welcome to Invest with Fire. Today, I want to talk about Bitcoin getting close to the 20-week simple moving average and the 200-day simple moving average too. Before I get into it, I'm recording from a cafe which has like this soundproof booth. So I apologize for any noise or music you hear in the background. So let's get right into it. So right here is the price chart of Bitcoin. And you can see for the past couple months, we had just sideways action, right? And we were in a bear market. And this is where I was purchasing Bitcoin, around here. And recently, we had this spring right here. And now we're testing these two indicators that I'm using to figure out if we're going to be resuming our bull market. So the first indicator I'm using is this red line right here, which is the 200-day moving average. And that's coming out around $44,000, $44,728. And second one I'm using is the 20-week simple moving average, which is around 44,331. So I mean they're both close to each other, so it doesn't really matter in this case. But I mean, if what I'm predicting or what I could see happen, because I can't really predict anything, all I can do is really just guess, is that Bitcoin can go past this indicator right here, and then it'll go past, test it, and maybe test again, and then off we go to our bull run. So this is what I'm hoping happens, but we'll see if that happens. You know, I was kind of skeptical that this bull run here could have been a bear trap where big market movers could have just been pushing the money, hoping people could have jumped on, and then they would just pull the rug, and then Bitcoin would have crashed again to around $30,000. But we shall see. I'm not here to predict anything. Again, another thing I want to look at is that the Wycoff method. I made a couple videos about the Wycoff method, and I drew a couple lines right here in the past where I just said this is the range. So if you see right here, this is kind of an indicator of the Wycoff method, where you have this sharp decline right here, and then you have this automatic rally right here, and this kind of sets the range right here. And I'll just show you this. This is right here, the selling climax, the automatic rally, and this kind of sets the range. You can see this range right here, this line and this line, and that's the lines I drew right here, and those lines actually held up. And back in July, looks like we had a test where Bitcoin went below this support right here, and I mean this kind of just follows the Wycoff method, where it was a spring, and then we had this crazy run up, right? And we even had a sign of strength right here, and it came back down and went up again. So this isn't exactly a textbook, it doesn't exactly match what we're seeing, but I mean we are seeing a lot of the characteristics, and I don't want to call out like the market's totally manipulated, but I mean it's hard to deny this evidence when we see very key things from this pattern show up with Bitcoin. But I'm not using this to trade off, I'm not using this to predict anything, because nothing is really predictive, right? If everyone tells you this is going to happen, they're probably guessing too, only if they have some kind of huge insider information. I just want to show you what the charts show to me, and yeah, we're battling right here, this line right here, and so this line right here, this 20-week moving average and the 200-day moving average are two indicators I'm using to figure out if Bitcoin is going to resume its bull run. And if we follow the Wycoff method, right, we're going to have this test of these resistance lines, and then off we go. So we'll see if that happens. I also want to mention that once Bitcoin passes these indicators and holds support and starts going upwards, that's when I'm going to start buying more positions in my altcoins, including Parachain. Parachain has been kind of trading sideways lately. We had this decrease from $3.92 to $3.60, and that's when altcoins will start following Bitcoin. But right now, I mean, Bitcoin's still the king, and it will take off if it does. I mean, when Bitcoin takes off, that's when I'll be buying up more position in my altcoins. So that's it, everyone. I hope you like this content. Please like and subscribe for some more. Follow me on Twitter at InvestWithFire, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.